Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use multivitamin and fish oil. First, always consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before adding any new supplements to your routine. Supplements are designed to complement a healthy diet, not replace it. For best results, take your supplements consistently each day. This approach helps your body absorb nutrients effectively over time, supporting your overall wellness goals. When taking a multivitamin, it's generally best to consume it with a meal. This helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K more efficiently and can also reduce stomach upset. Always adhere strictly to the recommended dosage on the product label. Selecting a multivitamin formulated for your specific age and gender can provide targeted nutritional support, addressing unique needs like bone health or energy levels. For fish oil, taking it with a meal that includes some fat is crucial for optimal absorption of its omega-3 fatty acids. If you experience fishy burps, try enteric-coated capsules, which dissolve in the intestines rather than the stomach. A common recommendation is to aim for a combined daily intake of 250 to 500 milligrams of EPA and DHA, the active components in fish oil, for general health benefits. Using both a multivitamin and fish oil together can provide a more comprehensive approach to your nutritional well-being, filling potential dietary gaps and supporting various bodily functions. Remember to store all your supplements properly in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. Also, if your car needs a refresh, check out the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Prioritizing consistent use and proper storage ensures you get the most from your supplements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.